Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing. Today is Friday, the 9th of February, 2024. Start with the public forecast. Okay, you can see low cloud and rain right the way through the day. It's talking about 90%. It's actually raining at the moment and quite blustery. There is a outbound movement scheduled at 9 o'clock, and I'll be amazed if they get away, but we'll see. The winds today, it's 16 knots, gusting to 29, 28 knots, and it is south-southwest. So if we did fly, we'd be on runway 23. Visibility good, very high humidity, 92%, as you would probably expect. Just to cheer ourselves up, let's have a quick look at tomorrow. And looks much better. You see some blue skies, not much chance of rain at all. A little bit warmer, maybe. Wind is from the south, so tomorrow will be on runway 23. And not really gusting at all, up to 14 or 15 knots, so very, very flyable and less humidity. So tomorrow looks okay. Let's looking at the synoptics. This is midnight last night, and we have a occluded front just past and a trough on its way, maybe the trough over the top of us right now. This is 12 o'clock, so the trough is over the top, really. And looking at midnight tonight, so the occluded front is passing, and it looks like it's slightly calmer weather. The low is over the North Sea, and this is now looking at 12 o'clock tomorrow, midday tomorrow. So tomorrow looks okay. Today, not so good. This is Odium's METAR at the moment, 32 minutes ago. Wind 20 knots, gusting up to 30. Broken clouds at 1200 and broken clouds at 1800. At the moment here at Lasham, it's total overcast. And the TAF, which is just over an hour old, winds 18 knots, gusting to 28 knots, broken clouds at 900 feet. And temporary, this is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. today. Visibility 700 feet and broken cloud 600 feet. Towering cumulus. Right, I've not seen that before. This is Farnborough, and it says the same. So this is the view outside at the moment. Just let me refresh that. It is a pretty dismal day. Looking at the weather station, the Lasham weather station, this is what it's saying for now. Dew point and temperature on the ground is less than a degree apart, which would suggest 700 or 800 foot cloud base, which is exactly what we've got. The temperature is starting to climb a little bit. I can remember this time last week when I did this, the pressure was 1025, so we were in a little bit of a high. Gusting this time yesterday, it was much lighter wind. It's now gusting at the moment, 28 knots, but averaging 16 knots and climbing. Cloud base predicted 700 feet. Accumulated rain. So over the last 24 hours, we've had 25 millimeters of rain. So I think today and tomorrow, if we did fly, it would be very much a wet weather setup. So so all gliders on the runway, basically. This is SkySight for today, and it's saying the same thing. Thermal strength, nothing. Soarable height 0. Temperature and dew point very close together throughout the day, and winds gusting up to 28, 29 knots. Tomorrow, it repeats the picture that we've seen from tomorrow. So we have thermals, remember those, 2 knot thermals from 11:30. and soarable heights over 2,000 feet. That's AGL. Winds, temperatures predicted, so 8-9 degrees. Winds 7 or 8 knots on the ground, gusting 11 knots, 12 knots, and a little bit higher at flying heights, but not much. The rain radar for today. This covers a 2-hour window, and you can see there's a stream of showers heading this way. And we'll look at the predicted rainfall. So this is today. This is actual today. And we just scan through today, see how it looks. Not very encouraging. Let's look at tomorrow. Today. On. Saturday 9 o'clock. Clear of rain at least. And the weather is sort of rotating around that low in the North Sea. Okay, good. Okay, let's have a look at what's going on here. Gliders available. We really are going to be flying today. Let's not kid ourselves. At the moment, we have 3 K-13s. We have 2 K-21s. 778 is back with a brand new rudder. Both 778 and K-13S need check flights. So one of the first jobs tomorrow will be to do a check flight for both of those. And the Grobs and the Discus status hasn't changed. Instructors today, Malcolm and Bob Westlake, who will be here shortly. Movement, as I said, there is the one at the scheduled at 9 o'clock, and there is no sign of activity. And there's another one scheduled for 2:15 this afternoon. Activities today, the simulator is up and running. Any sort of briefings that you need, very happy to do that. And also the Heritage Centre workshop is open, and so are the hangars. So if anyone is on site and would like to do something, have a look at what they're doing, maybe even blag a cup of tea off them, then you'll be very, very welcome. Right, thank you very much, and I shall see you out there.